Welcome once again to my channel. Today, I want us to dissect an aspect of conic section or coordinate geometry known as circle. So I want us to talk about circle, or what you need to know about circle as far as conic section or coordinate geometry is concerned. So we start with what is circle. Of course, circle is a locus of a point or points, locus of points equidistant from a fixed point. So that is what circle is. It's a locus of point equidistant from a fixed point. So that is what circle is. And what do we mean by that? When you have something this and you have a fixed point, the distance from here to here is radius. Distance from here to here is radius. Here, radius to the distance from the center to any part of the circumference is the radius. That's why we say it's a locus of points equidistant from a fixed point, which is the center. Now we talk about equations of circle, which is the hallmark of this very exercise that we're doing now, the equations of circle. So equations of circle, what do you mean by equations of circle? Of course, equations of a circle. Equations of a circle. What do you mean by this? It is an equation that is quadratic in both x and y variable. It's an equation that's quadratic in both x and y variable with positive sign in between them. As you can have x squared plus y squared. So this condition must be met. Equation that's quadratic in both x and y variable. You can see x squared and y squared. Not just that, another condition, there must be positive sign in between them. It's a must, positive sign in between them. Then secondly, the quadratic term must have equal coefficients. The quadratic term must have equal coefficient. You can see 1, even if you put 3 here, 3 must also be here. If you put 2, 2 must also be in the other quadratic term. So a circle is an equation of circle is an equation that is quadratic in both x and y variable, and there must be positive sign in between them. Another wonderful point, outside the quadratic term, you can have something like minus maybe 2x plus 5y, then plus your constant. At times there may be constant, there may not be constant, plus your constant, let's say 6. It can be plus or minus equal to 0. This is an equation of circle. Yeah, this is an equation of circle. We're going to talk about two different types of equation of circle. Now, but another wonderful point, there must not be any point in time whereby the linear variable multiply. Then we call it product function of the two variables. For equation to be an equation of circle, such will not occur. This. And you will not have x squared minus y squared. Minus will not come in between the quadratic variable. Secondly, you should also understand that you cannot have this 2x squared plus 3y squared to the equation of circle. What would we fault here? Product function of the two variables. What of here? A negative sign between the quadratic variable. What about here? They are not of equal coefficient. Once you know this, you are good to go. You can easily identify without wasting time or the speed of light that something is an equation of circle or is not an equation of circle. Now we are going to talk about two different aspects or type of equation of circle. You can have something like the x squared plus y squared minus 100 equal to 0. There is a difference between these two given equations. Number one, the first one is an equation of circle whose center coordinate is not at the origin. Why this is an equation of circle whose center coordinate is at the origin. My subsequent lesson, I'm going to discuss that in detail and show you how to, with a shortcut, how to easily calculate for center coordinate and the radius of the circle without wasting time. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification button so that when I post content like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Bye.